have you been welding?
About 3 months so far.
How long have you been welding?
Started last Wednesday.
How long have you been here at Elite?
I've been at Elite for about 2 months.
Roof's looking good. It got pretty hot at the end, so as long as you keep that travel speed up, you should be able to keep that filled up. So how long have you been welding? How long have you been here?
2 weeks.
Vertical's looking good. Slow down on your travel speed a little bit, and we'll get that filled out. How long have you been welding?
Currently, I've been welding for 4 months now. My first month on TIG. I've already tested it out and whatnot. I've already sealed. Hopefully, getting that to a little bit of strength by the